Alright guys, so coming up next, we're gonna get this thing on the show. This is a buddy of mine from work. Same car as I have. Of course, he's done some things to it to make it just a little bit special. Got the SMG. And one of the things I like about what he's done here, he didn't have the factory set up for Navi, but this aftermarket unit you can get, it looks legit. I mean, all the buttons match what you would have.
You're ready.
It is sitting low. Let's see if we can get right along. All right, we doing this. We're gonna go for a ride in this monster. We got some back pressure.
Please insert your parking ticket.
So what sucks is I gotta redo the wire for the ground on the radio because I got some system feedback.
Yeah.
It's nuts. So you'll hear that a little bit. Damn, it's overcast too.
Yeah, we're gonna get some precipitation in the form of dew. We're not getting no rain. It's not happening. Yeah, it's looking good, man. It's looking real good.
My favorite part.
You didn't do it.
You hear the slip a little bit?
Yeah, but your shifts are real good though. You got it down pat.
Love this thing, man.
You probably getting shitty ass gas mileage if you drive it like that.
I don't even know what the gas mileage is. I don't even pay attention. One of the biggest changes about getting the big brake kit is it gives you so much more confidence to carry speed. Cause this bitch like stops. Hold on.
You need some brakes when you drive.
But also modify like woo! Getting hot. So I also modified the front and rear sways, and then my suspension is ground control. No, my suspension front and rear is KW V3s. So I've actually been able to like take this to the track.
Yeah, I was gonna say, have you been to the track with it?
Yeah, I took it to Laguna Seca. It was a lot of fun.
It had to be.
the difference.
What kind are these?
Michelin Pilot Sport
Oh,
4S. Way too expensive.
Got the backup camera on it and everything. Stock don't have backup camera.